Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be sharing this very simple and easy festive makeup look that you can do within 2 to 5 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before starting, I gently rubbed a ice cube all over my face and then moisturize my face using Nivea soft cream, and that's my base or skincare you can say. Now I'll not use any foundation or concealer, but if you want you can go ahead and do your base. First let's start with the eyebrows. For eyebrows I am using ADS eyebrow pencil and a brush. First I will shape out the upper portion of my eyebrow. I will not shape out the lower portion because I like it that way, and then I'll start filling in my eyebrows. This is how my brows looks once it is all filled up. Now I will use a mascara. I will remove the excess from the wand and then brush through my eyebrows. This just helps to keep the eyebrow hair in place all day long. Now I will let it dry for few seconds and then curl my eyelashes. Next I am applying mascara. For mascara I am using Lotus mascara. Now this is a everyday kind of mascara, so I will apply 2 coats. Once the mascara is dried on my eyebrows, I am using this clean mascara wand to brush up my hairs in upward direction. And yeah, I almost forgot about kajal, so let's apply some kajal. For kajal I am using Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'll just apply the kajal on my outer corner of the eye. And then smudge it with the help of my finger just a little, and it's done. Next let's move on to highlighter. Now if you are following me from a long time, you must have already guessed what I am going to use as a highlighter. Yes, I am using the Biotic sunscreen lotion as a highlighter. This lotion gives a very beautiful within kind of a glow which looks very beautiful. For lips, I already moisturized them, and for lipstick, I am using this brown shade lipstick, just 2 to 3 dots, and it is good to go and it is done. Next I am using the same lipstick as a blush. Again use a very little and it will look very beautiful. As you can see, the blush looks very natural and minimal. Also do not forget to apply some blush on your nose as well. It looks very cute. And lastly, wear a black bindi to bind the whole look together. So this is how the look turned out. You can see this is very simple, very easy, and yes, you can do it within 2 to 5 minutes. So yeah. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care. Bye bye.